Okay, next, dividing simple fraction by mixed number. Okay, this is number 2 example. Mixed number 3 and 2/5 divided by 4/9. Okay, so this is the solution. First is to change the mixed number to improper fraction. So to change 3 and 2/5, i-multiply lang natin yung denominator sa whole number and then i-add natin sa numerator. So we have 5 times 3 plus 2 all over the denominator 5. And then 5 times 3 plus 2 is 17 over 5. And then i-rewrite natin ang 17 over 5 divided by 4 over 9. And then the next step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor. So ang divisor natin dito is 4 over 9. And then reciprocal is 9 over 4. And then the next one, i-change natin yung divide sa times. So we have now 17 over 5 times 9 over 4. Next, i-multiply natin yung dalawang fraction, 17 over 5 times 9 over 4. So numerator to numerator, which is 17 times 9, and denominator to denominator, 5 times 4. So 17 times 9 is 153, 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, ang quotient natin is improper fraction, which is 153 over 20. So gagawin natin siyang mixed number para ma-simplify. Para ma-change sa mixed number, di-divide lang natin 153 divided by 20. So it is 7, then 7 times 20 is 140, and then minus 153 minus 140 is 13. And then, gawing mixed number. So, yung quotient na 7, yun yung whole number. Yung 30 na remainder, yun yung numerator. And 20 is the denominator.